After more than a year of lead up into the event, Apple has finally launched its new iPhones, the two iPhone 8s and the iPhone 10, which still in my mind looks like an iPhone X, and I know a lot of others are saying that. Very big acclaim. These are beautiful phones, lots of excitement, some concerns about facial recognition on the iPhone 10 and others, but in general, what was expected? Folks are very impressed with the new products. So what does it mean for Apple and Apple stock? This stock has had an incredible run-up this year into this event. Let's go back in history and we'll look at what happened in the run-ups to other iPhone launches. What you find is that over the history of the iPhone, which is really driving Apple and Apple stock over the last 10 years, we have had a generally positive reaction running up into and then after the launch of the iPhone itself. In fact, 6 months after the iPhone, in most cases, with the exception of the financial crash, we've seen the stock go up, sometimes 40% or more. So it's not just a run up into the announcement. Usually there is good follow through. So is the same thing going to happen this time? Are we finally going to get to $200 a share, which would make Apple the first trillion-dollar company? Well, there's some cause for concern. As usual, there's a wide range of opinion on Wall Street. One analyst at Morgan Stanley, Katie Huberty, thinks that driven by this and augmented reality and other things, Apple can hit $250 a share over the next year, so huge upside. On the other hand, some concern that we've now gotten the big run-up in the news. And if you look at the run-up over the past year into this launch, it's been much greater than it has been for any previous iPhone into the launch. So argument could be made that, in fact, we've gotten the news now, it's time to back off. Others are saying that this phone is just meeting expectations. Everybody is expecting a big earnings year next year. Sure, there might be a little bit of multiple expansion, but not too much to drive the stock forward. But at least in the past, analyzing history, the run into the iPhone launch has continued for the next 6 months.